Hi, this is Pepi with Auto SuperShield. We've just completed our project on the 2012 458. Here it is sitting in our facility here in Boca Raton. We put a satin black roof on it and tinted the windows with 3M color stable 20% carbon black window film. The roof is done with Oracle 970. It's not completely matte or glossy. It's got a real nice matte satin finish to it. It's a $15,000 option from Ferrari, like I said earlier. You can see it turned out really nice for the customer. It's going back to the dealership today. Going to be delivered this afternoon. Across the tail section, we tied it in with the black roof. The back window on this thing. Anyway, the tow truck's here to pick it up for our friends at Fort Lauderdale Ferrari. And there it is, 2012 Ferrari 458. Thanks for visiting us at AutoSuperShield.com.